Welcome to Winning Wall Street's Money. Please take this moment now as helping me. Click here, subscribe. Next, click this bell. Next, ensure to click all. This helps you receive a notification when I posted my next videos. Next, click this thumbs up button after every time you watch my video. This pushes it up in the engagement ratings and means it will be suggested to more people, therefore is likely to get more views to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate that. I also have a Patreon page. Click show more. Scroll down. This link here, my Patreon, click on it. Select the membership. With this membership, you'll get access to all this information. Very good content. Sunday, October 17th, 4:06 p.m. New York time. Before we get into looking at the single gold stocks, I want to show you some correlation with the US dollar index and gold futures. The top left, the US dollar, and the top right, gold futures. So starting here on the right, on the left, US dollar. On the monthly time frame, we've made a higher high, and we're still trading back inside the range of the prior month. Again, the monthly candle's not done yet, but this is interesting. Look at here, the correlation. Gold futures, yeah, inside bar. We haven't taken out the high or low of prior month. So this is still trending up the US dollar here on the left, where gold is in a big consolidation here on the higher time frame, where it has defended that 1700 range. Buyers have been stepping in there, creating a demand zone. And then up here, above the 1800s, has been a supply area where sellers have been. Huge consolidation. But yes, the trading range has been getting bigger and bigger the past prior 2 months. US dollar, understand, if interest rates go higher, typically strengthens the US dollar. The US dollar is also one of 3 safe haven currencies: the US dollar, Japanese yen, Swiss franc. Well, let me tell you, this Japanese yen has been going record low for the year. So again, the flight to safety has been going to the US dollar. And more likely, sooner than later, US interest rates will go higher, giving more strength to the US dollar. Gold is priced. Commodities are priced in US dollar. But then again, you can certainly have commodities go higher, even if the dollar goes higher. Let's put this in a faster time frame, looking at the weekly time frame of the US dollar and gold. Each candle's a week, and we just completed the prior week. Now looking at the US dollar, identifying this, huge tails on the top. We did close red Friday, and Friday closed back inside that. Sorry, last week closed red, and that last week closed back inside the prior week. So we're showing up there, big tails on the top. Yeah, there are sellers up here, but we've been making higher lows, still having a trend to the upside. There's been a lot more supply area up here, sellers stepping in. Okay, so if the dollar sells off, right now I would expect it as a retracement, a pullback. Not all of a sudden becoming bearish. Yeah, pullback. So that pullback in US dollar give the opportunity for new investors or current investors to reload at a low price. And if it does the inverse, if this pull back and makes the gold go higher, that's opportunity to sell into strength. Hopefully you understand that. So if you have positions of gold, if it goes higher on weakness, consider selling in strength and taking gains. Looking here in the weekly chart of gold, yeah, this current week had a big trading range on the right here, rejected 1800 and sold off. So good job out of you if you took profits at that 1800 and then sat on hands or either reloaded when it came back down here. Correlation. Look at these. We see gold is defending down here on this weekly time frame. So this retracement, consolidation, breakout. So maybe a further consolidation or maybe a minor pullback retesting something. Let's look at the gold mining. The gold single stocks now and see where the leadership is. Defend which ones to consider investing in. First one to look at is AEM. Again, these would be on the weekly time frame. AEM current trend is up, higher highs, higher lows, very nice. Defended that $50 and did not close below that $50. Well, that was the low of the year. So this is bullish bias. Alpha Uniform, Angle Gold. Yep. Look at that. What happened since I've been here last? It took out that swing low last, made a lower low for the year. Take away that yellow horizontal line. And then it reversed. Yep, closed below it. $15, reversed and trended up. Very nice. And now, midpoint of this huge impulse move down, it broke above that. That's good. Bullish bias, very nice. We'll see if it's going to have the momentum to go higher up to that $20. So this would be considered up here a swing point. You can use that as a target. If it makes it up that's good. Don't know if it's going to make it up that high. Again, some of it has to do with gold futures as well as the US dollar price action. Rock Gold, GOLD. Since we've been here before, it took out this swing low right here, this yellow horizontal line, make a lower low, all-time year low right there. And then it reversed. So a lot of people may have been sitting on hands waiting for that pullback from here, went lower. Nice reverse. So we moved that demand zone too. Yep. So this was a consolidation, which was, show you that green line. That green line was demand zone. Some buyers stepped in there, but unfortunately, there wasn't enough strength, so it went lower. Had that nice little dodgy, nice reversal. Remember this is coming off year lows. That's suspicious. That is not a strong leadership from some of the other golds where we're going to see. See, look at this one. Foxtrot, Charlie, X-Ray, one that Freeport Mining, one that I've traded many times past years. Yep. So here's a low for the year. We did not take out the year low. That's good. This is even stronger than the other one because we did not take out the year low. And back here when I showed it to you, there was this wedge. Exactly, it made that wedge. And then inside that wedge, it made the coil. And then that coil, it broke out to the upside. That's very nice. Again, purple horizontal lines, solid ones, was the wedge. Inside it was that consolidation. Look at this gray area. This was a demand zone before, broke below it, and then closed back inside of it. That was strength. Yeah, it didn't close below that $30. And from that point, reverse higher, big impulse move up now. So what I'd labeled this purple horizontal line weeks ago, it occurred, played out. Very nice. Good job out of you if you took that trade out there when I shared that back those weeks ago. Goff, Foxtrot, India. One of the gold stocks I have been trading a lot the past weeks, months. Did very well for me, very well. Doing the options and the stock. The last trade I did, which is an option trade, still in that. But the last trade I did with the stock, I already closed the stock and took profits. The last stock trade I did was buying it at $8 and selling it up here in strength. And the current position in option trade with the 8 strikes pay me monthly income. Yep. So right here up to the swing high. Some of this correlation is going to deal with, again, the gold futures as well as the US dollar, if that momentum continue on the upside, or if we're going to have a retracement. November Echo Mike, another very good one. Newmont. Yep. So here's that swing low, which was a demand zone. This impulse move, this consolidation broke down, had an impulse move here, rejected, closing below below $55. Excuse me. Yep. And then it was a teaser, and then went lower low, make a new low for the year, and then reversed. But again, that's not good. Make a new low for the year compared to the other ones that were more strength. Charlie Delta Echo. Yep. 2 weeks ago, new low for the year. Consolidation, breakdown, consolidation, breakdown. Still not leadership, this one. Nope. Hotel Lima. Equity mining. No, not good. Here's a low for the year down here. This is struggling. Yep, struggling. Still in a huge consolidation. Not even a reversal. Not good. Tango, Hotel Mike. Yep. Still. Impulse move down there. Huge trading range. All that trading range never took out that high. Interesting. Something to watch maybe for a fast trade if it makes it up to that $1 high. Yep. That's been a supply zone up here selling. So interesting. Trade either opportunity there. We'll be watching this one like that one for a possible day trade or a fast swing trade. So take note. Let's do something here that might help identify this. Label that $1 range. Oops. Yeah. We go. They have a $1 range. Very important. Yep. And put a little alert there. I'll come back later. I want to put that alert somewhere else. Go look at some more colors. Alpha Alpha, Golf, Charlie. Yeah. Since been looking at that, there's a low for the year. This yellow horizontal line. Did not take that out. Just weakness. Again, it's a penny stock. It's a penny stock. Probably got a wide bid and ask. So it broke this midpoint. Huge trading range. Where that rejected it right there. Yeah. Yeah. That's been acting as a demand supply here. That's not good. Yeah, so maybe we'll go back up to the 50 or that high, but there's better opportunities in this one. Alpha Alpha Uniform. No, not looking good. Huge consolidation down the bottom. Weakness. Alpha Goth. Oh, here was the low, the yellow horizontal line. We broke below it and then reversal. A lot of these ones are reversal. Just think, if the gold futures does fall apart and go lower, yep, and just if that goes lower and these go lower, then that would be showing this in the future would be showing that these were just retracements, not necessarily bullish trend. So again, I'm saying if gold futures pulls back this week, next week, then expect these to roll over and possibly break these swing lows. Be determined on strength and weakness as those trends go. Bravo, Tango, Golf. Also new time, all-time new low for the year there, reversed. Delta, Bravo, Papa. That's nice. Did a huge bullish pin bar there. I like that. And since then, did some minor retracements inside of it. Yeah, there's a supply up here. That's good. So that 47, near that 47 is a buying area. That's been acting as a demand zone. See if it has options. The DBP. Oh, not good options. Oh, too wide for the bid and ask. Not good. I don't like it. Let's go on to the next. Echo Golf Oscar. Nice impulse move up. So there was the low for the year. Reversal up on strength. Nice. And we took out this high here. That's looking good. I like that. EGO. Look at the options on here. Oh, interesting. Okay. EGO at 9 put. That's definitely interesting to me there. See what happens come Monday. Got a pre-market. Definitely pre-market. Marking this down. Echo, X-ray, Kilo. Yep, took out the low of the year there. Built consolidation, reversed. That's concerning there. Foxtrot, November, Victor. Oh, nice bullish engulfing candle right there. That's a good signal. There's a low for the year. That's good. We did not take out the low of the year. Did have a deep retracement there and went there. And wow, nice right there. This was a demand zone. Demand zone there. We had a break up there on the impulse move. And this impulse move is where we had the retest. Very nice. Very nice. That's just around shy of the 125. It's above that 125. That's interesting. I like it. That's an interesting trade opportunity. We'll look at the options, see if there are valid options on it. And when I'm saying valid options is what I feel comfortable trading with. Again, Foxtrot, November, Victor. Too wide of a bid and ask. GOF, Delta, X-ray. This is a stock ETF. This is a stock ETF of gold miners, the big value gold miners. Impulse moves. So if you're not looking to buy a bunch of gold single stocks, this one represents several. Yep. Let's go on to the next. GOF, Delta, X-ray, J. This is also a gold stock ETF of gold junior miners, smaller value. So there's that swing high right there. See what happens if we're going to break above that and close above that. That'd be good. Again, the same pattern we just saw in the GOF, Delta, X-ray. Yeah. So again, they took out all-time lows. So there's several again that haven't taken out all-time low and trending higher. Those are leadership. GOF, Oscar, Romeo, Oscar. Yep, all-time low. It's in a consolidation. GOF, Papa, Lima. No, not looking good. Wow, huge consolidation here near the low. Hotel, Mike, Yankee. Well, nice consolidation there. Sell or shut off. That is good. And then the impulse move up. Nice. This is looking good. I like this one. I'm going to write this down and look for the opportunity for an entry single. Let's just get double check the options. Hotel, Mike, Yankee has options. Yep, something to consider. I have to check the valid price data when the market opens, because right now it's not valid price action because the market's closed. So those bids and asks typically widen after market closes. But this is interesting right here. And make a little note right here. Let's look at the round number, 350. Sorry, that 350. Significant price level right there. Yep, look at that. So it was in the past there, it was a demand zone. Buyers are stepping in, broke below. And this consolidation here, it was acting as a supply area. Broke above it. Now, what was a supply area is now demand zone. Yep, interesting. So opportunity maybe to buy up, pull back at 350. India Alpha GOF. Consolidation breakout to the upside. That's looking good too. Like that. Kilo GOF Charlie. Oof. Big retracement of this trend down. Kilo Lima. Wow, here's a swing high for the year. We did break above it a few weeks ago, failed to close above it, and we finally broke above it. Going up on strength now, it looks like. Yep, interesting. This was a demand zone. And look at that fast price action there. That price action there, we said, took out the high of the year there. We tested this demand zone and chose not to close in it. Wow, interesting there. Lima, Oscar, Delta, Echo. No, it's terrible. I'm struggling here. Mike, Alpha, GOF. That's something of interest. There's the low for the year. We had these rejections in both directions. Finally had the impulse move to the upside. See if that continues. That's interesting there. Yeah. If you like what I shared, want to get the next notification, you hit that subscribe button and the bell. You get alerted when the next one comes out. If you like the video itself, how about clicking like? Thank you. Thank you, as always, for spending just a little bit of your time with me. Let me know what you thought about this video, and please let me know what you want to see next. If you got value from this video, if this was helpful, then please consider sharing a small monetary donation to my channel. By going below and clicking on my PayPal link, you can leave a small tip. If you don't want to share financial support, no problem. Just click the like and subscribe.